Hello my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Becky. I am a fashion and lifestyle blogger and I post content here on YouTube. Hello my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Becky and I'm a fashion and lifestyle blogger. I post videos here on YouTube once or twice a week. Today I'm going to do a little like top haul with SHEIN. So SHEIN recently reached out and asked, hello. Hello, what you doing? Why are you hiding? Come on, come say hello. What you doing? So SHEIN kindly offered to sponsor this video and I've picked out a few tops from their website to share with you guys and they are super cute. I just filmed the try on portion of this video and you know, I hate to blow my own trumpet or anything, but I made some good choices. These are real cute and I'm really excited to share them with you. So shut up Rebecca, I'm gonna show you the tops. So the first top is this like striped one. I'm having a real like wardrobe crisis recently that I have so many cute frilly cute ties, cute cutouts kind of clothes from YouTube pictures and things that I've featured in videos, and I've been realizing that I have very few clothes that I can literally just wear like to the shops that are just comfy and easy to throw on. So I picked out a couple of really basic things. This is a long sleeved top and it's just striped. If you guys have been here for a while, you will know I love stripes so much. I love striped tops so much. I don't know what my obsession is, but they're darn cute. And then to make it even cuter, it's got this little heart on it, which is really sweet, and you could expect me to probably live in this slash wear it until it actually falls apart. As I said in my last SHEIN video, the only thing that is like really important about SHEIN sizing is grab a tape measure, measure yourself, and then when you're ordering on the SHEIN website and you're picking out your size, just check your measurements against the clothes. So whenever I've actually taken the time to check my size properly and measured myself to figure out the right size, I've always had like no problems with the sizing. But a couple of times I've been like, oh yeah, I'll be fine, I'll wing it. And I did have a couple of like, you know, not so perfect matches. So definitely double check your size, check your measurements, and then you know you're going to be happy and you're not going to be disappointed. So the next item is a cute little like strappy top. And it's got these like little cup fronts, and then you've got like an open back. You can't really see the shape very well here, but you'll see a bit better in the cutout. Got lots of embroidery, lots of little, is it broderie anglaise, something like that, which is like my favorite pattern for clothes. I love it so much. I think it's just so adorable. I got that one more for like a really warm summer day. Obviously that's not an everyday top, but it was just really cute and I couldn't resist it. The fit was really nice. I have really big boobs for my like body size, and I found that it wasn't like too small. I didn't feel like they were about to fall out or anything, which is really nice and very uncommon for me. So Then next up is this like shoulder puff tie back top that looks absolutely ridiculous. Now I'm holding it up, but I promise you it's really cute and you'll be able to see better on the cutaway. This one I was a little bit worried that it would be see-through because it being white and the kind of crepe material that it is. Winter is eating a tag that he's found. Open up, give it to me. This is not a debate. Thank you. Oh, look how upset he is now that I've taken it away. You can still chew this. So yeah, I was kind of like half expecting this to be a little bit see-through, but it was actually perfect. Again, I wasn't wearing a bra with this, and the way that it has this big thick like band at the bottom and the way it ties at the back gave me more than enough support. I felt really safe in it. It was actually quite comfortable. It looks like one of those tops where you like feel like you're being like pulled one way, pulled another way, but it was actually really comfortable on. Finally, I got this little t-shirt. It's got this like picture on the front, and then it's got these gems for the earring that are actually real gems that are like stuck on the front, so I thought that was really cute. Again, this is super thick, you can't see through it. I don't know if you can see there, but like you can't see even the leopard print through it if I hold it up there. I tried this on with a white bra on, and it had writing on the bra and you couldn't see that through it. Absolutely gorgeous on, and with the like pattern that's on it and the little gems, I feel like it feels really nice. It doesn't feel like you're wearing something super basic. You can kind of put it on with a nice pair of jeans and a nice pair of sandals and feel put together without having to really make much effort, which I am here for. So yeah, that was a really cute one as well, and I think that that one comes in like an obscene amount of colors, maybe like 12 different colors you can buy it in, which is very nice. So that's all from me for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you really liked seeing the items, and as always, all the links will be in the description box below, and there is a 15% off code down there as well for you to get some money off your next order at SHEIN. And thank you so much again to SHEIN for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hopefully I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.